Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing Windows and your Bluetooth adapter for a full reset. Open Quick Settings and turn off airplane mode, then enable Bluetooth. Put the external device into pairing mode and keep it within 3.5 meters. Run Settings System Troubleshoot other troubleshooters, then run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and let it finish, which takes about 90 seconds. Do not skip pairing mode or proximity checks while the troubleshooter runs. Next, we fully reinstall Bluetooth drivers and remove hidden, conflicting devices. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click each adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Open View and select Show Hidden Devices, then delete any ghost Bluetooth or USB entries. Restart the PC and wait 30 seconds before logging back in. After reboot, open Device Manager and choose Scan for hardware changes or use pnputl to add the correct driver package. This recreates a clean Bluetooth stack for Windows. Finally, enable required services and complete the pairing process. Press Windows key, type services. MSC, open services, find Bluetooth support service, set startup type to automatic, then click Restart. Confirm Bluetooth status in Settings Bluetooth and Devices and click Add Device. Choose Bluetooth and follow on-screen prompts to pair. If the internal adapter still does not appear, plug a USB Bluetooth dongle into a working port and repeat the driver uninstall and reinstall steps. Verify your device connects successfully before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.